Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for face yoga. Today I'm so excited to guide you for forehead exercises. Do you know face yoga? If you do, that is great. If you don't, welcome. And you're gonna follow me step by step, and I suggest you to do these exercises at least once a day to get the best result. If you are not subscribing yet on my channel, please do comment and share. Our first exercise is the massage. So we have your hand as a cup like this and put on your shoulder just like this, and you squeeze it, like you pull it forward, right? You pull it forward, and if you feel the knot, just push it a little bit. It's a little bit painful, but it will release your stress, everything that you put on your shoulder. Just relax, release, relax and release. How do you feel? I love the shoulder massage. We do it for the second time. Hand, cup, and we put here, and you massage on your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, whatever, just feel good, and squeeze it, relax, relax, relax. I love it. For the second one, we're gonna do the warm-up. We're gonna do wow, just like you are so excited, just like you are see something that make you do like wow, like this, wow. Okay, we're gonna do it 10 times. Wow, 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 wow. How you feel? You feel a little bit warm on your face? I do feel warm. Let's do the second time. Wow for 10 times. Wow, 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 wow. Ooh, circle on my face. How about yours? I love it. Let's do the third time. Here we go. Wow, 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 wow. Relax, close your eyes. Feel the sensation on your face. Open your eyes. Third exercise, we're gonna do forehead freeze. We put our hand crossed like this, put them on your forehead, above your eyebrow, just like this, and push it a little bit up, not this, up, put a little bit up. Relax your shoulder, relax, not this, relax your shoulder. And you try to open your eye the wide as possible, like this. If your eyebrows try to raise up, just stop them with your hands. Put your hand on your forehead, lift it up, lift your forehead up a little bit, and relax your shoulder, and open your eyes. Relax your shoulder and breathe. And we stay like this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. If you feel the tension on your shoulder or behind the head, it's normal, no worry. But if it is too much, you just adjust the pressure, depends on your body. Okay, we're gonna do the second time. This time your hand cross other side like this. Put your hand on your forehead like this, and then relax your shoulder and try to breathe and open your eyes the widest possible. If your eyebrow try to raise up, stop them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, 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 relax. We're gonna do the third time. The same hand, you cross them, put them on your forehead, above your eyebrows. Relax your shoulder, breathe, and open your eyes. If your eyebrows try to raise up, stop them. We stay for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax, relax. We are going to do our last one. We put your hand like this along your hairline. I hope you see my hand. And push them back like this, like you want to lift your forehead, right? Relax your shoulder. Not to do this. Relax your shoulder and look down. Push your hand up, look down, relax your shoulder and breathe. We stay it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. How do you feel? If you feel the tension behind, it's okay. Adjust based on your body. Don't force your body too hard. Love yourself first. We do for the second time the same thing. Your hand like this along your hairline. Relax your shoulder and push your hand a little bit up and look down. Breathe. We stay for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. I love it. It makes me feel all my face just like lift up. My face just like it's just lift up. So we're gonna do for the third one and the last one for today. The same thing. Put like this. push up. Relax your shoulder. Look down. We stay like this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for joining me today. I'm really happy to do this face yoga with you. I hope you get the benefit of these face exercises and come back soon for the next video. Bye.